we guide you through how to transfer WhatsApp message from Android to iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your new iPhone is either brand new or factory reset because the transfer process only works during the initial setup. On your Android phone, download the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store, open it, and tap Continue. Now, start setting up your iPhone until you reach the apps and data screen. Then tap Move Data from Android. A code will appear on your iPhone. Enter the code on your Android device to connect both iPhones or phones. Once connected, select WhatsApp from the list of data you want to transfer and tap Start to prepare the message. Wait for the process to finish. Then, continue setting up your iPhone after setup. Download WhatsApp from the App Store, sign in using same phone number you use on Android, and tap Start when prompted to restore your chat history. Your WhatsApp messages, media, and conversations will now appear on your iPhone.